Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today I'm gonna show you how to crochet this super solid granny square with no gaps at all. This square is really easy and simple to make, and I will go through every step and every stitch in detail in this video so every beginner can follow along. Let's get started. Start with magic ring. I will wrap my yarn around my two fingers like this and create an X. Then insert my hook underneath the bottom yarn, grab the top yarn and pull it through and yarn over and pull through the loop on the hook. Here is my magic ring. If you find it very hard to make the magic ring, you can also make it by chaining 4 and joining with a slip stitch. So you can see I already one chain here, so I'm gonna to make chain 3 more. This chain 4 will count as first treble of round. Okay, so I'm gonna make 3 double crochet in the circle. These 3 double crochet will make the first side of a square. Pull the hook into the ring, bring the yarn out, pull through 2 and pull through 2 loops. This is a double crochet, and make another one. And then make 1 treble stitch into the circle, and then make 3 double crochet in the circle again. I'm gonna pull my yarn, turn a little bit to make the circle smaller, then make 3 double crochet. This is gonna be second side of a square. And then make 3 double crochet again and 1 treble stitch and 3 double crochet. Pull my yarn tail and continue making stitches. Now join with the slip stitch to the chain 4 that counts here as the first and corner. Pull the tail of the yarn and then chain 4 to start the next round as a treble crochet and make 2 double crochet into that same stitch. 1 double crochet and 2 double crochet, and then 1 double crochet in the next 3 stitches, 1 double crochet in each of them, and then I reach the corner stitch, which is the treble crochet of the first round. Make 2 double crochet and 1 treble crochet and 2 double crochet in that stitch. All of these stitches in the same stitch, and then 1 double crochet in the each next 3 double crochet. 1, 2 and 3. Repeat all of this pattern to the end of the row. I will show you 2 double crochet, 1 treble crochet and 2 double crochet in one stitch, and make 1 double crochet in each next 3 double crochet, 2 and 3, again 2 double crochet, 1 triple crochet, and 2 double crochet, in the corner, and then 1 double crochet in the next 3 double crochet, in the end make 2 double crochet before the chain 4 in the start of the round, and then join with the slip stitch on the top of the chain 4. From here you can just go on and make as many rounds in your square as you want to, following the exact same principle. Only I have few more stitches in each side to work into for each round, so I'm just gonna show you again. Make chain 4 as a triple crochet, 2 double crochet in the same stitch, make 2 double crochet and make 1 double crochet in the next 7 stitches. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And then in the corner make 2 double crochet, 1 triple crochet, and 2 double crochet in the same stitch, and repeat all of the process around to the end. 1 double crochet in the each next stitches, in the corner 2 double crochet, 1 triple crochet, and 2 double crochet in the same space. Do it until the end. 1 triple crochet and 2 double crochet, and 1 double crochet in the each next 7 stitches. And again in the corner 2 double crochet, 1 triple crochet, and 2 double crochet, and the last side of the square make 1 double crochet in the each next 7 stitches. And in the end make 2 double crochet before the chains that we made in the first of the round, and join with the slip stitch to the 4th chain. And again just repeat the same process for every round, and if you want you can just continue to make as many rounds as you want to. Only you will have 4 more stitches in each side of the square to work into for each round. I'm gonna wave the yarn tail on the back side, and just I want to secure the yarn with the needle. Fasten off the tail of the yarn as you want. Bring the yarn between the stitches like this and secure it inside the stitches, and then cut the yarn. Here is our super solid granny square. I hope you enjoyed the tutorial. If you like this video, please let me know as comment below, and please do subscribe, that would be helpful. And if you like this video, share it with your friends that you know they like this. I'll see you in the next video. Goodbye.